Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Audition on your PC or Mac using a fully legal 14-day free trial. Not just the standard 7-day trial most people get. To follow along, please click the link in the description, which will take you directly to the Adobe Audition free trial page. Once you're on the page, you'll see the option to start a free trial. Adobe offers two choices: individual plan, 7-day free trial business plan, 14-day free trial. To get more time with Audition, we're choosing the business plan, which gives us 14 days of free access instead of just 7. The download and installation process are exactly the same, but you get double the time to try it out. Next, Adobe will ask you to sign in or create an account. If you don't have one yet, simply enter your email and follow the instructions. It only takes a minute. At this point, Adobe will require payment details, but don't worry. You won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. To cancel, simply go to your Adobe account settings and follow the instructions. I always recommend setting a reminder on your phone, so you don't forget to cancel if you decide not to continue. After signing in, Adobe will prompt you to download Creative Cloud, which is the app manager for all Adobe software. It helps you keep your Adobe apps updated and manage your subscriptions. Click Download Creative Cloud and let the file download. Once the installation is complete, launch Creative Cloud and sign in. Once you're in Creative Cloud, you'll see a list of Adobe apps. Feel free to explore and try out other Adobe apps as well. Search for Adobe Audition in the app list, click Install, and let the process run. Depending on your internet speed, the installation may take a few minutes. Once it's done, open Adobe Audition, and you will have full access to all its features for 14 days completely free. And that's it. You now have Adobe Audition free for 14 days, giving you full access to all its professional audio editing tools. Remember, it's important to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. Click the link in the description to download your free trial now. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more useful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.